Hi everybody, welcome back to the Miss Linda C. Jones YouTube Variety channel. I'm coming to you from my beautiful historic hometown of New Orleans, Louisiana. This is being documented as a historic snowstorm in New Orleans, as we have not seen snow of these proportions ever in our lifetime, because the last time it happened in New Orleans was in 1895. Literally, the entire snow, my front yard and street, is covered with snow. My porch is covered with snow. This is truly surreal and phenomenal. Stay safe out there, everybody. Let it snow, and hopefully there will be nothing that we have to deal with in the way of damage as a result of this New Orleans historic snowstorm. Okay, everybody, the snow is still falling. If you can see it on the video, I'm not sure, but apparently it may be wrapping up in about an hour. Take care, everybody. Bye.